Hi, Steve here from Coffee Collection. I'm just going to take you through making a double shot. One of the things I suggest you do on a machine like this, and most espressos are the same, smaller machines, run some hot water through the machine first. This does a number of things. This cools the machine down, so you get about 90 degrees, 92 degrees Celsius. It was probably running a bit hot. I put that aside. I've already tamped my double shot. It's a nice tight fit. Should make a good shot. Putting the cup under here. And one of the things you want to try to do is to make sure that these spouts don't just splash into the bottom of the cup. It's got to actually try to trickle down the side of the cup, because otherwise it will, if it just splashes in, it will crack the, it cracks the crema, and it's not as good when you want to do latte art and so forth. So let's have a look at this. I've got the timer here. So I'll start the machine. There we go. Oh yeah, that's a nice drop there. Yeah, that's going along quite well. So you're looking for about 60 ml in about 30 seconds. And there it is. Beautiful crema on that, and that crema should stay like that for quite a few minutes, so that when you do your milk, it'll latte out quite well. Oh yeah, that's very nice. And that was just under 30 seconds. I turned the clock off. I turned the machine off just under 30. Anyway, see what you think. Steve from Coffee Collections.